So here we have a set of 15 dice, ranging from 3 possible outcomes to 100 possible outcomes. Start off with the 4-sided dice, unlike the 3-sided one. As you can see, it looks nothing like a sphere. We rolled a 2. Now look at this 5-sided one right here. This one looks a little weird, considering it has to land 5 different possible ways. But it still has but it still has balance as balance could be. 3. Now for the 2 6-sided dice. This one has 6 possible outcomes, and this one has 3. The 7-sided dice has 7 possible outcomes, and it looks very weird, as you can tell. Still, it's still fair. 7. Oh no, let me change that back to a 2. There we go. Now for this 8-sided dice. It doesn't look like the usual octahedron, but that's alright. It'll do. There isn't a D9 here, unless you want to count this as a D9, in which case this would be a D90. Yeah, the D9 and the D90. That's what I'm calling these, not D10s. But D9 slash D10 and D90 slash 100, I guess. Okay, so for this D12, it looks completely different than what you'd expect, but this is still solid and regular. For the 16-sided dice, okay, here for the 16-sided dice, it looks weird, but it feels spherical in a way. These been getting more and more spherical the further we go. Maybe 20-sided dice right here, more spherical again. Yep. Now for this 24-sided dice. She's look weird, but it is still regular. Landed on a 5. Now for this 30-sided dice, notice how it's getting more and more spherical as we go on. This D60, even more spherical than the last dice. It actually rolls for a bit. And finally, we have the D100. It looks almost like a sphere, but look very closely. You can see that it actually has edges. And then enough, roll this D100. It landed on a 9. Ta-da! Also, Merry Christmas, everybody, even though it's like 6 days before Christmas.